Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Devs Coding Hub. This video is going to be very useful for those who are starting Photoshop for the first time. In the first video of Photoshop series, I've discussed the fundamentals of Photoshop CS3, and now in the second video, we are going to learn the basic file operations and the most important feature of the Photoshop or layers. So let's start the session. The first topic is going to be creating a new file. To open Photoshop, click on Start, type Photoshop. It will be enlisted in the Programs menu. Click on Adobe Photoshop CS3. It will start opening CS3. Now it is opened. Go to File menu. Click on New. You will get the New dialog box. Here, the name of the first file created in Photoshop is given as untitled-1. Let us change the name. My first file. The next thing we are going to change is preset. Preset may be chosen from a list of presets which are already set, or you can go for a custom preset. In this case, we are using custom preset so that we can set the size of the page. Suppose I've set the size of the page as 800 pixels by 600 pixels, and the resolution of the page of the Photoshop image is set as 150. Resolution refers to the number of dots that is used in per square inch area horizontally and vertically form the picture. All these tiny dots are called pixels. So how many pixels will be there per square inch? It will be 150 horizontally as well as 150 vertically. So it will be 150 into 150 dots inside 1 square inch area. The color mode which is chosen automatically is RGB. We will keep it as it is, and it will be 8-bit color, and background contents will be background color. In this case, our background color is white. If I click on OK, I'll be able to create a new file. So this is how we'll be creating a new file. Next thing we'll do is to save the file. To save the file, we need to go to File menu, then to click on Save As, and then suppose as I have already given the name of the file, I will keep that my first file .psd. PSD stands for Photoshop document, and I will save this in the Photos folder. So I can change this location also. Instead of changing, I will store it in the default location I have set. If I click on save, it will save my file. So this is how we will be creating and saving a file in Photoshop. The next step is to close the file. close the file, we can click on this close button in the document window, or we can go to file and then click on close. I can press the shortcut Ctrl W to close the file. Now I have closed the file. The next step we are going to perform is to reopen the file which I have created. I will go to file, click on open. In the photos folder, I have saved this as my first file .psd. I'll select that file and then I'll click on open. If I click on open button, the file will be opened. So this is how we are going to perform an open operation in Photoshop. Let us move to the next topic, Photoshop layers. Now what is layer? To understand this, I'll give you one example. Photoshop as an image editing software allows us to combine multiple images to create one single beautiful image. Layers are one of the most powerful features in Photoshop that help us to do so. Layers are just like individual sheets of information that are stacked, that is, kept one top of another to create an image. With layers, we can draw, edit, paste, and reposition elements on one layer without disturbing the others. So let us see how layers work with the help of an animation. So let us move to the example. Here in this Photoshop document, we have three layers. First one is the bottommost layer. And here we have kept a picture. The next layer is a transparent layer where only tree is written. It is the middle layer. And the last layer, which is on top, is another transparent layer where water is written. And now if we merge these three layers, we will get a single Photoshop image. So when they are combined, the image looks like this. Let us have a clear view of this. So this is how the picture will look when the three layers are combined. So let us practically do this by using Photoshop. The poster will look like this. We have four pictures that are combined to build this poster. And the four images are so let's move to Photoshop and try this.